Alright, time to staple these all together. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat something. Alright, time to staple these all together. Alright, good. I'm going to the mall right now. Alright, time to staple. Hey, where did the stapler go? Mario, come here now. Somebody took the stapler here. Did you do that? No, I didn't. I'm gonna go ask Luigi, and if he doesn't have that, I'll ask Koopa Troopa. And then, if Koopa Troopa didn't take it, I'll ask Yoshi. Yoshi isn't here. I'll go ask Luigi right now. Luigi, what do you want, Sonic? Somebody took the stapler on the table in the main hall. Did you do that? No, I didn't. I didn't use the stapler today. I don't know who did it. I'm gonna ask Koopa Troopa if he did it. Koopa Troopa, what do you want, Sonic? Somebody took the stapler on the table in the living room. Did you do that? No, I didn't. I didn't use the stapler today. Maybe go and ask Yoshi. I saw him walking with the stapler. But Yoshi isn't here. I'll go find it in his bedroom. Hey, where is it? Is it here? No. Is it behind here? No. Where is it? Is it here? No, it isn't. Maybe on the desk. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Alright, time to staple. Alright, good. Mario, I found the stapler. Good job. You can play Super Mario Bros. 3. Okay. Yoshi, I need to talk to you. Okay. You took the stapler from the table and you left it in your bedroom. Is that true? Yes, I did. Why did you put it back on the table in the main hall? Because I was going to use it. I wanted to staple my pictures. I was stapling my homework, so I won't lose them. I'm sorry about that, Sonic. Okay. Are you going to put stuff in your bedroom, even though if it isn't just yours? I won't do it again. Anyways, I'm getting something to eat. Sorry about that, Mario. I was just talking to Yoshi about the stapler. Alright.